Maraming isyung tinalakay sa reproductive health bill bago ito pinagbotohan. Isa rito ang usapin kung anong edad ba nararapat na magturo ng sex education sa mga estudyante. Nagbabalik si Oscar Oida.
Bago humantong sa botohan kagabi, pinagdebatihan muna kung kailan ang tamang panahon ng sex education sa mga estudyante. Pinunto ni Cagayan de Oro Representative Rufus Rodriguez na dapat sa edad 16 at 17 ito magsimula o sa senior high school.
It is our belief that these ages of 12 up to 15 are such a tender age that education may not be appropriate yet, sexual education. Because children at this age are of tender age and they may misapprehend, misunderstand what is given by those that will teach the subject of sex, sexuality, and reproductive health. These children should be under the education of parents.
Pero hindi naman sang-ayon dito si Albay Representative Ed Selagman. Ayon sa kanya, sa murang edad pa lamang ay nararapat ng gabayan ang mga bata sa usaping sex. Tinapos ni House Majority Leader Neptali Gonzalez II ang period of amendment nang maghain siya ng motion to terminate mag-aalas 8 ng gabi. Ito'y kahit tinangka pa sanang pahabain ni Nueva Ecija Representative Rodolfo Antonino ang debate sa pamamagitan ng pagmumungkahi ng mga amendment na natalakay at nabasura na.
Identical amendments had already been proposed by members of the House and they were soundly rejected by the...
To reject my amendment, I mean this is a period of individual amendments, so if an amendment by Deputy Speaker Garcia was rejected and I am making that same amendment, then perhaps then the sponsor should reject it to be put on record that he has rejected my amendment.
Sa nakalipas na 5 kongreso sa loob ng isang dekada, may mga panukalang batas na ring inihain na katulad sa RH Bill. Pero lahat ay nababasura pagdating pa lang sa committee level o kung hindi man ay plenary debate. Kaya may tuturing daw na makasaysayan ng pagkakapasa sa ikalawang pagbasa ng kontrobersyal na panukalang batas.
Oscar Oida, GMA News.